All right, guys. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. So, real quick. We have SMT divergence at the highs. Previous day high being swept on NQ. Previous day high on ES. I think I have the wrong one set here. I think I have the old one on. That's the weekly high. Okay, so we swept previous weekly high. Previous daily high also got swept on ES. But I'm looking at like all this structure here. Right? We're trading above it on NQ right now, or we already did. And ES is currently an OTE of this range. So right now, I do and would like to see potentially a bearish PD array set up. We'll see if we get that or not. But that's the early part of my bias here. We got a lot of stacked liquidity right here. Low resistance liquidity run. This is what I would like to target. Got a little 1 minute gap there. Oh boy. Quick decisions here. I'm going to try a short, guys, right now.
Order filled.
I might be able to get away with one more contract here. See if we can pop up in there a little bit. Sorry, 2 quick trade days in a row. As soon as like the call gets opened up, we're topping in a trade. I apologize. It is what it is. We'll see here though.
Order filled.
All right, I tried one more contract on here. Still below my 0.5% risk. But yeah, shorting this fair value gap. SMT between ES and NQ swept previous daily and previous weekly high. Just want to see if we can get this quick little run here. Obviously, I know we're bullish overall at all-time highs, so kind of a cheap trade here. I like that it was such a tight stop. That's why I put a second contract on. So 13 points. Cheap trade, cheap trade. I think it's worth the risk. Also in the macro as well. So macro ran up, ran the liquidity once more here at open, or from open. And yeah, I'm just really interested in all this buy side down here. News in 30 seconds, guys. We'll see. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it can be favorable for us. 10 seconds. Oh boy. Oh, we were looking so good there for a moment. Now we're not. Just inverse that gap. I'm going to hop out, guys.
Order filled.
Hop out. Down 498. Just ran the liquidity. We would have been ran out anyway. Shit. Fuck. Oh well. Eyes right now on this 30-second gap. We're holding it and respecting it right now. If we inverse it, I believe I'll attempt another short here. All right, guys. I'm gonna try again.
Order filled.
I hopped in short one more time. My stop's up here, hard stop up here, but I'm probably not going to let it get there, to be honest. You know what I mean? If this thing starts strong candle closing back up here, I'm just going to hop out. I want to see this start to respect and push away. Generating all this liquidity in here. A lot of imbalance in here, obviously. But again, SMT still present at the high. And to me, I guess the shorts here aren't really invalidated until we like displace through these highs up here. We'll see if this candle can make any recovery or not. Hand on the trigger, guys. I'm getting ready to hop out of this thing. I'm not going to take a full stop out. Giving it a chance. Can we inverse this gap? If we hold this gap, we're going higher. If we trade through these lows, my stop's going to this high here. Okay. Moving stop down. Trimming some risk off. Love it. Love it. Fuck it. I take it back. I don't love it, but I love it. Hey, hey guys. Holy fuck. I wasn't scared. You were. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm going to keep my risk on, though, for right now. We just left a lot of imbalance at our entry. I see that we're trading into this, but again, we got all this liquidity down here. So I really want to see this traded through. Leaving it open. If it trades back up in here, great, whatever. 1 minute. There's an order block here. Stops above that. We trim some risk off. See if we can push now. Yeah, no imbalance here on the 5. 15. The 30, so. OB fair value gap here. If we can displace through this low that it just put in, that's when I'm trailing stop to break even. Because price will have come back to have done what I feel like it needed to do in here now. Getting to the end of the macro as well. Yeah, guys, I got a little spooky in here for a second. Not out of the woods yet, but... All right. Time to sip the coffee and wait. This would be an ideal, like, one-and-done trade type of morning, too, with FOMC meeting minutes being later today, for the record. I'm going to say if we leave a fair value gap there... Okay, never mind. Just closed it. I was going to say if we left a fair value gap there, I'd be open to moving stop to break even, too, because I wouldn't want to see it inversed. What the fuck are we doing here? You were doing so good, dude. It's scaring me, kind of. Knock it off. Not ideal at all. Oh, god damn it. That is not good. I'm just going to let it hit my stop, dude. We already trimmed off the risk. Not at all what you want to see. Stop loss incoming, folks.
Order filled.
There it is. So it looks like our 5-day green streak is going to come to a halt there. Might be time to reset that old clock. But it is what it is. Risk managed down about 0.5%, a little over. 10:30 here. I mean, you guys can continue watching this if you want and just see if it plays out this move. I'm going to come back, check later. Maybe trade after 2 p.m. But so far this week, green yesterday, red today. Had a 5-day green streak. Ended today as of right now, unless we make it back later. Is always possible. But I really kind of think that this is just going to continue being a little bit ugly for the most part until later today, maybe even the rest of the day until tomorrow. So, with that being said, I would highly recommend we all go touch some grass, go to the gym. Do something more beneficial than staring at barcode price and making poor decisions around it. This is like all this day is good for is just getting emotional and fucking your shit up. That's literally all it's good for. You know, you tell yourself you drop down in time frame, you'll find something, you'll just start scalping. It ain't gonna fucking, it never works out. Never work, bro. If it does work out, it's a complete gamble. Like, making any money in this is very difficult. It takes a lot of luck, I'd argue. You know, and I'm okay admitting that I know I would get my ass clapped in this, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna do the responsible thing and hop off for now. So guys, enjoy the rest of your guys' Wednesday. Stay tuned in the Discord. I'm gonna obviously have my eye on things later in the afternoon. 2 p.m. FOMC meeting minutes, New York time. So after this event, like from like 2 p.m. after, I'll just have my eye on things. I'm gonna try to run to the gym quick, get a workout in, get some errands done before then, and be back and ready to have my eye on things. Can't promise price will be great or anything, but I'll have my eye on things, and I'll send any alerts in the Discord of things I'm looking at. So yeah, guys, enjoy your Wednesday. Don't let this get you down too much. We'll be all right. We'll bounce back, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay.